Many years back, there was one Catholic priest who lived for 82 years. And he was in Catholicism for almost 65 years. And he had never had the opportunity to hear the gospel. But when he became 82, he heard the gospel. He got born again. And he turned away from Catholicism. Yes. Let somebody not think that I'm trying to attack that denomination. Even Pentecostal. There are many Pentecostal ministers who have never been born again. That they are far from it. The simple truth about regeneration is about the change of your nature. It's not about reformation. It's change of nature. If God does not do it for you, you can't do it for yourself. Your denomination cannot do it for you. No pastor can do it for you. Said those that are born not by the will of man. It is not by self-effort. Those that are born by God.